On my main YouTube channel, I did a long video about this pool maintenance that I do. It included a few extra things that I don't do all the time. So this will be a short video on what I mainly do on a Wednesday and a Sunday. First step, walk through with the net and pick up all the bugs and the grass and the poop and whatever else is in the pool. And I'll just walk the pool once, maybe twice, scoop everything up. As I make my way back around to this side where the filter basket is, we're going to go ahead, remove the filter basket. Oh, we got a snake in there. Isn't that great? So we pull out the basket. I'll just dump it all right there in our net. I'll use my hand to get some of this other stuff out of here, hair and shit. Put your basket back in. That part's done. Take all this trash, put it in your dumpster, trash can, whatever, wherever you put it, dump it in the yard, whatever. If you have a Polaris vacuum or some other brand of automatic vacuum, now's the time to take this bag out and dump it out as well. So we have a strap that we undo. And then on this one, you just kind of twist and pull, and there it is. Take this, dump the contents of the bag into the trash can. Once the bag for the Polaris has been dumped, attach the bag back using the strap as well and setting back in there. After that's done, before I backwash and check chlorine level or salt level, I do a quick brush of the areas that the Polaris cannot get, such as the tanning ledge and the little seats at the deep end of the pool. And I just push all this stuff out where the Polaris is able to pick it up. That's it. Quick brush. After you're done at the pool side, come over to your filter pump. Turn off the pump. Open up this filter basket. That's your pump. Knock it out. Get the debris out of it. Put the basket back in. There's a tab here. That tab goes on that tab there. If you don't, it will not close. So put the tab right there. Close back at the top. Switch this over from filter to backwash. Turn it on. Let it backwash for 15 or 20 seconds or until that water looks good. That water looks good. Turn it off. I give it 5 seconds. Turn our handle to rinse. Turn it back on. We're going to rinse it for about 30 seconds. You'll have water come out of your pipe. After 30 seconds of rinse, turn your pump back off. Wait 5 seconds. Turn your filter dial back to filter. Turn it back on. This is a saltwater pool. Get a saltwater pool tester. It'll tell you how many parts per million you have worth of salt in your pool. Stick it in the pool. Look at your reading. 3170 is my reading. And it's going to vary a little bit. I've got 3,090 right now parts per million. Your pool's supposed to have 3,600 parts per million. Our saltwater pool tester showed we had 3,000 parts per million of salt in our pool. I know that at 3,000, to get it to 3,600, I need 2 bags of salt. We just dump them in. With the pool running, if your pool isn't running, let it run. Let it run all day with this salt. Once you dump it in, it'll circulate the salt around. My pool's set to run all day anyway. So it's already running, but just dump it in. I dump mine in the deep end there. 15 minutes twice a week. Your pool will stay beautiful, just like this one is. You don't need 30 different chemicals to go in it. You don't need a shit ton of test strips and all that kind of stuff. Just salt. The occasional shock 3 or 4 times a year if it gets bad, and run your pump. Biggest thing you can do is run your pump. If you're running your pump 2 or 3 hours a day, your ass ain't doing enough. I know it costs a bunch of money to run that damn pump, but run it. It makes a huge difference. If you're having algae issues and you're having issues in your pool, run the pump. Increase that damn pump timer. Let it run 8, 9, 10, 12 hours a day.